Hi friends, welcome to GD Law Studies. Today we have to see IPC Indian Penal Code Section 1 to 511 How to Learn Easily. Chapter 1 Section 1 to 6 Introduction. Chapter 2 Section 6 to 52A General Explanations. Chapter 3 Section 53 to 75 Punishments. Chapter 4 Section 76 to 106 General Exception. Chapter 5 Section 107 to 120 Abetment. Chapter 5A Section 120A to 120B Criminal Conspiracy. Chapter 6 Section 121 to 130 Offences against the State. Chapter 7 Section 131 to 140 Offences relating to the Army, Navy, Air Force. Chapter 8 Section 141 to 160 Offence against the public tranquility like unlawful assembly and rioting. Chapter 9 Section 166 to 171 regarding crimes committed by public servants. Chapter 9A Section 171A to 171I Election related offences. Chapter 10 Selection 172 Chapter 10 Section 172 to 190 Contempt of law Section 170 Chapter 10 Section 172 to 190 Contempt of unlawful authority of public servants. Chapter 11 Section 191 to 200 regarding perjury. Section 201 to 203 false information. Section 204 to 210 Distraction. Section 211 to 223 Fraud to save the guilty. Section 224 to 229 Crime against justice. Chapter 12 Section 230 to 263A Offences relating to currency and government stamps like public nuisance, disobedience, adulteration of food or drinking drugs, and rash driving. Chapter 14 Section 268 to 294A Offences affecting the public health, safety, convenience, decency and moral. Chapter 15 Section 295 to 298 Offence relating to religion like insult of religion of any classes, disturbing religious of any classes. Chapter 16 Section 299 to 377 Offences affecting the human body. Section 299 Culpable homicide. Section 300 Murder punishment. Section 304A Casing death by negligence. Section 304B Dowry death. Section 307 Abetment to murder. Section 308 Attempt to commit culpable homicide. Section 309 Attempt to commit suicide. Section 302 Section 312 to 318 Mischarge and harm to babies. Section 319 to 338 Hurt, grievous hurt. Section 339 to 348 Wrongful restraint, wrongful consignment. Section 349 to 358 Force. Section 359 to 374 Kidnapping. Section 375 to 376 sexual offense like rape, gang rape. Section 377 unnatural offense. Chapter 17 Section 378 to 462 offense against property. Section 383 to 389 exploitation. Section 392 404 robbery. Section 392 punishment for robbery. Section 405 to 409 criminal breach of trust. Section 415 to 424 cheating. Section 425 to 440 mischief. Section 441 to 462 criminal trespass. Chapter 18 Section 463 to 489E offense relating to document and to property marks. Section 463 to 465 forgery. Section 470 forgery documents. Chapter 19 Section 491 criminal breach of contract of service. Chapter 20 Section 493 to 498 offences relating to marriage. Chapter 20A Section 498A cruelty by husband or relatives of husband. Chapter 21 Section 499 to 502 defamation. Chapter 22 Section 503 to 510 criminal intimidation, insult and annoyance. Chapter 23 Section 511 attempt to commit offences. Thank you friends. If you are liking this video, please comment and subscribe. Keep supporting. Thank you friends. Hi friends, welcome to GD Law Studies. Today we have to